Fall. The leaves fall from the tree. He falls on the ground. He falls on the ground. Drop. She drops the phone. He drops the keys on the table. He drops the keys on the table. Lift. He lifts the box. She lifts her bag. She lifts her bag. Raise. She raises her hand. They raise the flag. They raise the flag. Carry. He carries a heavy bag. She carries the baby. She carries the baby. Drag. He drags the chair. They drag the box across the floor. They drag the box across the floor. Pull. She pulls the door. He pulls the rope. He pulls the rope. Push. He pushes the cart. She pushes the door open. She pushes the door open. Throw. He throws the ball. She throws the paper away. She throws the paper away. Catch. He catches the ball. The dog catches the stick. The dog catches the stick.